You finally got that gorgeous sequin bodysuit you've been eyeing, but when you try it on, something's not quite right. Maybe the straps are too long, the leg openings are gaping, or it's riding up in places it shouldn't. Before you give up and return it, I'm going to show you how to fix the most common bodysuit fit issues, and most of these fixes require zero sewing skills. Hi, I'm with Stagewear Shop, and today we're solving bodysuit fit problems so you can look and feel amazing in every performance. Let's start with the most common issue, straps that are too long. This makes the bodysuit sag in the bust and creates an unflattering silhouette. The quick fix? Fashion tape or double-sided body tape. Fold the strap to your desired length, secure it with tape on the inside, and you're done. This works for halter straps, shoulder straps, and even spaghetti straps. For a more permanent solution without sewing, try strap clips or bra strap converters. These little clips let you adjust strap length and even change the strap configuration, turn regular straps into a racerback or crisscross style. Now let's talk about straps that are too short or too tight. This is uncomfortable and can cause the bodysuit to pull down in the front. The easiest fix is a bra extender. Yes, the same thing you use for bras works for bodysuits. Attach it to the back closure or to the straps themselves to add a few extra inches of length. Next issue, the bodysuit is too loose in the bust. This creates gaping and doesn't give you the support you need for performing. Here's a genius trick. Use silicone bra inserts or chicken cutlets. These fill out the cups and create a better fit. Plus, they add a little extra shape and confidence. If the entire bodysuit is slightly too big, try a shapewear layer underneath. A high-waisted shaping short or bodysuit liner can take up the extra fabric and create a smoother silhouette. This works especially well with mesh or fishnet bodysuits. Let's address leg openings that are too high or cutting in uncomfortably. You can't really make them lower without sewing, but you can make them more comfortable. Apply body glue or fashion tape along the edge to keep it in place and prevent chafing. Moleskin, yes, the stuff for blisters, also works great for this. If the leg openings are gaping or too loose, fashion tape is your best friend again. Tape the edge of the bodysuit to your skin to keep it in place. This prevents wardrobe malfunctions and creates clean lines. Here's a common problem with long-sleeved bodysuits. The sleeves are too long and bunch up at the wrists. The no-sew fix is to fold the excess fabric inside the sleeve and secure it with fashion tape. Or push the sleeves slightly up and wear statement bracelets or arm cuffs to hold them in place. This actually creates a cool styling moment. Now let's talk about the bodysuit riding up. This is super annoying and happens when the torso is too short for your body. The fix? Snap the crotch closure tighter if it has adjustable snaps. If it doesn't, you can add lingerie tape or even safety pins on the inside to create a tighter closure. Just make sure the pins are secure and won't poke you. If the bodysuit is riding up because it's too small overall, there's not much you can do except size up next time. But if it's just slightly snug, wearing high-waisted bottoms over it can help keep everything in place. What about bodysuits that are too tight in the shoulders or armpits? This restricts movement and is really uncomfortable for dancing. Try this. Wear the bodysuit with the straps positioned slightly wider on your shoulders. You can use safety pins on the inside to reposition where the straps attach. This opens up the armhole area and gives you more range of motion. For bodysuits with built-in bras that don't provide enough support, layer a supportive bra underneath. Choose a strapless or convertible bra that won't show. This is especially important for high-impact dancing or if you're full or busted. Here's a fit issue people don't talk about enough. The bodysuit is see-through or shows more than you want. The solution is simple. Wear a nude or matching bodysuit liner underneath. This gives you coverage while still showing off the design of your statement bodysuit. Let's address color transfer and staining. If your bodysuit is light-colored and you're worried about makeup or self-tanner staining it, apply a barrier. Use setting powder on your skin or wear a thin nude camisole underneath in areas that touch your neck and face. What about bodysuits with closures that won't stay closed? If snaps keep popping open, reinforce them with a small piece of clear elastic sewn or glued across the closure, or use fashion tape over the snaps to keep them secure during performance. For bodysuits with back zippers that won't stay up, attach a small ribbon or cord to the zipper pull. Loop it around a button or hook and eye closure at the top to keep the zipper from sliding down. Here's a pro tip for bodysuits that gap at the back or sides. Use double-sided fashion tape to secure the bodysuit to your skin. Apply the tape to your body first, then press the bodysuit onto it. This creates a seamless look and prevents shifting. If your bodysuit has a plunging neckline that's too revealing for your comfort, use fashion tape to secure it to your chest, or wear a stick-on bra or nipple covers for extra security and coverage. Let's talk about preventing fit issues in the first place. Always check the fabric content before buying. Bodysuits with at least 10 to 15% spandex or elastomere will have better stretch and recovery. This means they'll fit better and hold their shape. Read reviews carefully. If multiple people mention that a bodysuit runs small, large, or has specific fit issues, believe them. This information is gold when you're shopping online. When you first get a new bodysuit, try it on with the shoes and bottoms you plan to wear with it. Move around, dance, sit down, raise your arms. Make sure it stays in place and feels comfortable during all the movements you'll be doing. Here's something most people don't know. Bodysuits can stretch out over time, especially in high-stress areas like the crotch and underarms. To prevent this, hand wash your bodysuits in cold water and lay them flat to dry. Never wring them out or put them in the dryer. If a bodysuit has stretched out and become too loose, try washing it in slightly warmer water and laying it flat to dry in its original shape. Sometimes this can help the fabric contract a bit, but don't expect miracles. Prevention is better than trying to shrink it back. For sequin or rhinestone bodysuits with fit issues, be extra careful with any fixes. Avoid putting pins or tape directly on embellished areas, as this can damage the decorations. Work around the embellishments and secure the bodysuit in plain fabric areas. Here's the bottom line. Most bodysuit fit issues can be fixed with fashion tape, safety pins, strap adjusters, and a little creativity. You don't need to be a seamstress to make adjustments that dramatically improve fit and comfort. Keep a performance emergency kit with these items: fashion tape, safety pins in various sizes, strap clips, a small sewing kit just in case, and body glue. This kit will save you backstage more times than you can count. If you're looking for bodysuits with great fit and quality construction that minimize these issues, check out Stagewear Shop. We carefully select pieces with proper stretch, reinforced closures, and adjustable elements so you can perform with confidence. Remember, the perfect bodysuit should make you feel amazing, not uncomfortable. With these fixes, you can customize the fit to your body and rock any look you want. Thanks for watching, and here's to bodysuits that fit like they were made for you.